Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
The floor cleaning innovators at Roborock are at it again, and among the new devices unveiled at the big IFA Tech Show in Berlin is the Dyad Pro Combo, a smart wet-dry mop that can now convert into a stick vacuum. The company's Marcus Lai.
So using the different attachments, you're able to convert it into a cordless stick vacuum. That will be, you can just vacuum the hard floor, you can vacuum the carpets, and there are smaller attachments like a dust brush and a motorized mini brush that you can, vacuum your keyboard, your sofa.
Or the attachments make it great for cleaning the car. Lots of versatility. The Dyad Pro Combo will arrive early next month, priced at about $550. Find more at roborock.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Innovation, sustainability, fearless. Those are some of the words that come to mind when I think of GoSun and founder Patrick Sherwin. It's one of those started in a garage stories and continues on with Patrick and his team finding new ways to harness the power of the sun. Solar ovens, coolers, water filtration, solar rechargeable batteries like the beautifully designed Power 550, solar panels, and even portable tables with solar panel tops. GoSun takes on challenges and innovates fearlessly. The GoSun Chillest portable fridge can be used every day in your house or is at home running on battery power at a campsite. Great for transporting groceries over distances too. And it is a company that has been there to help wherever needed. Learn more about the products and the people behind them at gosun.co.